In today's video, I will show you how to earn $300 passive income over and over again with a free method that I will show you later on. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to build passive income using CPA marketing. Also, if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notifications on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I can notify you whenever I have a new strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. So right now, let me show you the list of people from all over the world who have cashed out their earnings from this website. So you might be asking, how much can you really earn using this website? As you can see in the screen, this is live proof of people that has earned dollars using the services they offer. One account has earned about $5,128. Another account earned $5,084. As we can scroll upwards, we will see another person earning $172,917.38. The limitations are endless. You can earn as much as you want using this website. So what is the website that I am talking about? This website is called CPAgrip.com. So just before I go ahead and explain everything, I need to remind you to be patient and keep watching, because if you go to this website right away, you won't be able to use it effectively and to its full potential. You may be able to earn a few dollars, but you will be missing out a lot and leaving out money on the table. So please keep watching and pay close attention. Later on, I will show you how to sign up with this website, but first I need you to do this other step for this method to work. The method which I will be teaching you today is 100% free, so you don't need to invest any money at all. And this is available all around the world. You can do this wherever you are located. Going back to the video, the first step we need to do is to choose a niche and download a free ebook for that niche. Any niche will do, but for best results choose within this 3 top niche: health, relationship, or make money industry. For this video, we will be choosing health niche, specifically the weight loss niche. Now I want you to do is go to IDPLR and sign up for a free account. You will find the link to this website on the first link in the description of this video. Go to the description and click on it. Once you go the link, I want you to click register for free. Finish the sign up process and confirm your email. Now as a free member you will have 2 free points that you can use to download 2 gold products for free. You can also upgrade to a paid member once you already earned money using this method, so you can do this over and over again. Now log into your account and search for keto diet. As you can see with the search results, there are a lot of options we can choose from. For this video, I will choose the Easy Keto ebook. Just click on the Easy Keto and click download. After you save your file, put the ebook file in your Google Drive and remember where you save it, because we will be using for later. So now we move on to the next step. But before that, comment down below, where are you watching from? In that way, I will know exactly where you are from. So in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. And don't forget, I will be giving away a lot of bonus tips that can help you earn double compared to other people. So make sure to watch this video until the end and do not skip any part so that you won't miss out on those important tips. Now, let's get back to the video. Now what I want you to do next is go to plrplr.com. This is a free website where you can get PLR articles that you can use for free. It has 100,000 of totally free PLR articles. Now scroll down to the bottom of this website and look for the Dieting tab, on the right side of the webpage, and then click on it. This will bring us results of free articles we can use related to dieting. As you can see, we have a lot of free articles we can choose to market the ebook we have downloaded earlier. For this example, I will choose the article, The Dieting Mindset. Just click on it and select the whole article. Now copy the whole article and paste it on a Google document. After that, save the file so we can use it later on. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video in which I've put a lot of time and effort to actually do, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notification on. Going back, it is time to sign up and go to the main website that will earn us passive income over and over again. Now go to cpagrip.com. CPA Grip is one of the leading cost per action affiliate marketing network. We will be earning here by becoming a publisher. So, these are a tools CPA Grip offers that can earn us money. As you can see, it has content locker, URL and file locker, video locker, offer wall and virtual currency. For this video we will be focusing on URL and file locker. So how does it work? It works by locking a media file so that the user must complete an incentive offer to gain access to the said link or file. When the user completes the incentive offer, that is how we earn money. Now what I want you to do next is sign up with this website by clicking sign up now. Once you click sign up, you will be taken to a page that looks like this. Now fill out the information required. If you don't have a website, you can put in your YouTube channel or you can search for any website in Google that does content around the niche you are focusing on. For the publisher type you can choose web, content lock. After you fill it out, check on the I'm not a robot checkbox and accept the terms and conditions. Once you finish filling it out, confirm your email address that you have registered and wait to be approved. For my case, I was approved only minutes after I signed up. If you're still watching this part of the video, let me know if you are learning anything. Leave a comment below. Now let's go back to the Google Drive where you saved the Easy Keto ebook. If you have not saved Easy Keto ebook file to your Google Drive, you can save it now. Now once you are in Google Drive, I need you to right-click on the Easy Keto PDF file and select Get Link. Change the restriction to anyone with the link. After that, click Copy Link. Open Notepad and paste the link so we can use it later on. Now let us go back to cpagrip.com. Once you are approved, log into your account and you will see your dashboard similar to this. I want you to go click Monetization Tools located on the left side, and then select URL, File Locker. After that, click on Create URL, File Locker in the Creation tool. Go to Templates and select a template that you want to use. For this example, I will use the Human Verification template. Once done, go back again to General tab. You can modify your incentive offer in this tab. Change the name to something that you can easily identify. So, for this, I will change it to Easy Keto File Locker. Now, copy your Google Drive link and paste it in the locked URL area. Once you are done, click Create. Now you will see the locked file in your menu. All we have to do now is get the link and drive traffic to that link to earn money. To get the link, just select the Get Link button in the right side of the name of your created locked file. You will be shown to a menu similar to this. In the domain options, choose the most recent domain. You can customize your URL by clicking Customize URL. Once you are done, copy the link, and now is the time to drive traffic to your link. But first let us go back to the article we have copied earlier. In this article, as you can see at the bottom, I created a call to action phrase to make readers click. This is where we can paste our CPA Grip locked link. You can copy this call to action phrase or you can create your own. To put our link in the call to action phrase, just select the phrase and click on the Add Link button on top. Paste your CPA locked link and that phrase will turn to color blue with underline on it. That's how you will know that the phrase has a link on it. Copy that phrase and paste it at different parts of your article, that way it has more chances to be clicked by the readers. But do not spam, I suggest maximum of 3. Usually, I put it near the beginning, in the middle and at the end. Now once you are done, click File, then download as PDF file. Now it's time to drive traffic to your free article. Go to slideshare.net. This website, according to SimilarWeb, has a total of 139 million visits. This is a great free traffic source for the article we created. Now all we need to do is sign up with slideshare.net. You can use your LinkedIn account to sign up. If you don't have one, you can create a free LinkedIn account in their website. Once logged in, just click Upload and select the PDF file we saved earlier. Change the title to the title of your article, or you can just put in a more clickbait title to potentially get more traffic. Add tags related to dieting to make your article discoverable to visitors. If you're still here, I will be sharing the final bonus tip that will help you earn more. And that is by sharing you another free traffic source. So, the free traffic source I am talking about is Pinterest. Pinterest is a great traffic source because it is free and it receives a lot of traffic not only from its users, but it does rank in Google. As you can see from this account example, they receive millions of views without having hundreds of thousands of followers. Weight Loss Healthy Tricks receives 2.3 million views every month. And another page, My Weight Loss Fun, receives about 1.9 million views each month. You can create similar pins like they do, so you can drive more traffic to your link. And now if you want to earn up to $10,000 monthly, check our 5-day challenge, the link is in the description in the video below. And discover how to build a profitable business online without having your own products to sell. This is a 5-day program that aims to help you earn your first commission online through affiliate marketing, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in that video right there, so check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification on so you don't miss out on any of the new contents. As always, I will see you in the next videos.